Okay guys, another beautiful bike from the McNasty collection. Big bore, 250, two smoker, 250, 500 cc's of power. Oh, 1993 KX500. Then body style basically came out in 1988. It's pretty much the same machine. I'm gonna do a walk around real quick. So obviously, like I said, this is a brand new seat from overseas that nobody's ever sat on. Overseas, they strip the bikes down and sell you parts, and if you hunt long enough, you can find the stuff. I actually bought the seat a long time ago, and I had it on a shelf, and I said, oh, it's cool to look at with the pink, because the 93 is hard to find, and I says, if I ever get one, and I did end up coming across one. I have another video of a 1990 KX250, and I actually bought these two together. So I threw all new plastic on this bike. I have the number plate background right here. I was actually going to copy it. So I have that for the side plate and the front plate. The number plate background's in white, and I just never ended up putting them on as of yet. The bike's just pretty much thrown together. She's a beautiful beast, man. She is powerful. She moves. The pipe's in very good condition. This is an untouched up bike. Pipe's in great condition and so on. Motor's in great condition, runs perfect. And we have all the stickers for the swing arm, so we were going to come back here and paint the swing arm and so on. But we haven't got to that point yet. I have the decals for it, like I said, for the number plate backgrounds and so on. And it's just, it's got a few little things, handlebars. I don't like it when people put these newer style pro tapers on. But, you know, really, what are you going to do? So all I did was I put that brand new seat on there, which is just sitting in place. You can see the bolts not even holding it in place. And the plastic was just thrown on, just so it's not laying around and going to get scratched on the shelf. So we put that together so we could throw this thing in a corner. Like I said, I got a full graphics kit for this bike, all brand new plastic of the seat, so on. She runs like a top. It's got an IMS shifter on there. I don't really like that stuff either. I like to keep these bikes all original as possible and as nice as you can. So like I said, this bike came out in this body style came out in 1988. And a few years later, you could get the forks, but 1991 to 1993, you can get the blue anodized forks. So if you see any of these KXs with the blue forks, it's from a 91 to a 93. And this is just a prime example of a nice looking one. I wish we had the number plate backgrounds and so on here so we'd be a little more complete, but it is a very, very nice machine. So you can make pretty much any one of these KXs from 89 and up, you know, look really nice, and look all the same. You could make this look like an 02 if you wanted to. There's all kinds of things. It's the exact same seat, stickers, body style, parts, engine parts, wheels, everything. So these bikes went for a lot of years. Obviously, KX500 is a monster. You know, it's all in what brand you like. So guys love Kawasaki's over the Hondas. Guys love the Hondas over the Kawasaki's. You know, it's not like a Yamaha. A big CC Yamaha bike's going to be air-cooled. And except for like the WRs, well, no, even the WRs, and you know, WR500 when they went from the YZ to the WR, still air cooled. So this is just another bike in our collection. Just check it out so you can get a good overall roundy round of what it looks like. So if you guys are trying to make yours look like this is what a 1993 stock looking KX500 would look like. Stay tuned, guys. Like and subscribe. We have a few more bike videos coming out soon. Check them out. Let us know what you think. McNasty Customz.